Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best carry-on is probably one of the most essential pieces of luggage for any traveler, offering a convenient way to pack your essentials without the hassle of checking a bag. When it comes to choosing the right carry-on, the Away carry-on has consistently stood out as a top contender, praised for its durable construction, thoughtful design, and integrated features that aim to make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. This review will delve into what makes the Away carry-on a favorite among frequent flyers and casual vacationers alike, exploring its build quality, capacity, maneuverability, and unique selling points. Number 5. BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag. Introducing the BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag, your perfect travel companion. Keep all your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible on the go. Featuring a convenient hanging hook, this bag allows you to maximize space in any bathroom. Simply hang it up and keep your toiletries within reach. Crafted with water-resistant material, it protects your items from spills and splashes. Travel with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safe and dry. This bag offers generous space for all your travel-sized and full-sized containers. From shampoo to makeup, it holds everything you need for your trip. More than just a toiletry bag, it's a versatile organizer for all your accessories. Keep your cosmetics, toiletries, and other essentials tidy and ready for use. Make your travels smoother with this essential organizer. It's designed for convenience, ensuring you have everything you need without the clutter. What we like? This one offers a convenient hanging hook for easy access in any bathroom. Its water-resistant material protects your belongings from spills. If you need to keep your full-size toiletries organized and easily accessible, especially in shared bathrooms or small hotel spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. The suitcase is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver even when fully packed. The built-in USB charger is a game-changer for keeping devices powered up on the go. The interior compression system is surprisingly effective at maximizing packing space. Number 4. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Cream. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. Designed with lightweight fabric, they keep your clothes neatly stored without adding bulk. The convenient double-way zipper and mesh top panel allow for easy identification and access to your items. Effortlessly separate your clothing with these multi-sized, vibrantly colored organizers. They save you time by preventing misplaced items and maximize the space within your luggage. These organizers fit seamlessly into various suitcase sizes. The smaller bags are perfect for carry-ons, backpacks, and duffel bags, making them ideal for any type of travel. Streamline your packing and enjoy easy access to your belongings. These cubes help you sort efficiently, saving time and effort for a more comfortable journey. What we like? Made with a premium, water-repellent fabric, it keeps clothes neat and protected. The lightweight design won't add bulk to your luggage. If you're looking to maximize space and keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free during longer trips or for specific outfits, these are ideal. What people say. The suitcase is incredibly durable and has survived numerous trips without any damage. I love the built-in USB charger, it's so convenient for keeping my devices powered up on the go. The interior organization system is fantastic, making it easy to pack and find things. Number 3. Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Carry-On Luggage. Meet the Samsonite Omni PC, the ideal carry-on for your domestic travels. It maximizes your packing power while adhering to most airline size restrictions. Despite its compact size, this luggage offers generous packing dimensions of 19 by 14.5 by 9.75 inches. It weighs only 6.81 pounds, making it easy to handle. We stand by the quality of our product with a 10-year limited warranty. This ensures that it is free from defects in materials and workmanship for years to come. Travel with confidence thanks to its durable microdiamond polycarbonate texture. It's designed to resist scratches, keeping your luggage looking great on every journey. Your peace of mind is paramount. Integrated side-mounted TSA locks provide enhanced security, allowing only you or a TSA agent access to your belongings. Navigate through airports with ease. This carry-on features 4 spinner wheels for smooth and effortless maneuverability in any direction. What we like? This luggage features an extremely scratch-resistant polycarbonate shell to maintain its appearance. It also includes a TSA-mounted lock for security. If you're a frequent traveler who needs durable, secure, and carry-on compliant luggage that can expand when you need a bit more space, this is a solid option. What people say. The suitcase is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through airports and city streets. The built-in USB charger is a game-changer for keeping devices powered up on the go. Durable construction means it can withstand the rigors of travel without showing significant wear and tear. Number 2. Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella. Don't let the wind ruin your day. This umbrella is designed to withstand gusts up to 100 miles per hour, keeping you protected. It's incredibly light and portable, making it the perfect companion for any journey. Easily fits into backpacks and car compartments. With just one touch, it opens and closes automatically. This feature offers ultimate convenience when you're on the go. Crafted with premium materials, it's built to last. Whether it's heavy rain or strong sun, it provides reliable shelter. Its strong yet lightweight design makes it ideal for both men and women. Stay dry and comfortable, no matter the forecast. This is more than just an umbrella, it's your dependable shield against the elements. Make it your go-to for everyday protection. What we like. This umbrella is built to withstand strong winds and features an automatic folding mechanism for convenience. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack or car. If you're often caught in unpredictable weather and need a reliable, easy-to-use umbrella that won't invert in the wind, this is a must-have. What people say. The suitcase is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver even when fully packed. The built-in USB charger is a game-changer for staying connected on the go. Durable construction and smooth rolling wheels ensure a comfortable travel experience. Number 1. Kitsch 11 PCS Containers Travel Size Toiletries. Introducing the Kitsch 11 PCS Containers Travel Size Toiletries. Perfect for your next getaway, these essentials make packing a breeze. Never worry about spills again. These TSA-approved bottles are designed to be completely leak-proof, keeping your belongings safe and dry. From shampoo to lotions, these refillable containers are perfect for all your travel-sized toiletries. Customize your kit for any trip. Add a touch of sophistication to your travel gear. The stylish black and ivory design complements any travel aesthetic. This 11-piece set has everything you need for toiletries on the go. Make your travel essentials kit hassle-free with Kitsch. What we like. These containers are TSA-approved and designed to be leak-proof, preventing messes in your bag. They are refillable, making them eco-friendly. If you prefer to bring your favorite full-sized shampoos, conditioners, or lotions in travel-friendly sizes without worrying about leaks or airport regulations, these are perfect for you. What people say. The suitcase is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through airports and pack without exceeding weight limits. The built-in USB charger is a game-changer for keeping devices powered up on the go, and the battery pack is removable for easy charging. The interior organization system with compression straps and multiple compartments helps keep belongings tidy and secure during travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.